Hi, this is Dale from Chainsaws Direct. I'd like to show you today how to correctly start a professional Husqvarna chainsaw. What I have here is a Husqvarna 550 XP. First thing you want to do is you want to make sure the chain brake is engaged. You do this by pushing forward on the bar. If you have a decompression valve on your chainsaw, you're always going to want to push that. What this does is release compression from the cylinder enough so you can easily start the saw. Once the chainsaw starts, the valve will come back into its normal position. After that point, you would want to set the choke. When you set the choke, you're not only setting the choke, but you're setting the high-speed idle. You always want to start a professional saw at high-speed idle. Simply pull out and raise it up into the choke position. You also have a purge valve right here which purges any air out of the line. Push it 4 or 5 times. Once all that is done, you're ready to start your saw. You always want to start your saw on the ground, put your foot in the handle, pull the engine over until you hear it cough or pop. Once it tries to start, you want to move the choke back into the run position and then restart the saw. Once you have the saw running at high idle and warms up, simply give the trigger a quick pull and it will knock it down to its normal running idle speed. So once the saw has all been running, it does not need to have the choke reset. What you would want to do is make sure the chain brake is locked, hold in the decompression valve. You'll want to pull the choke lever up to choke, but since the saw's already been started and it's already run, back it off the choke to run. That will take it off choke, but it will leave the high idle set. Once that is done, there's no need to push the purge valve any further. Simply put it on the ground and start. Let's do some cutting.